Welcome to another episode of MSK Coding. In this episode, I will discuss a Python program that I wrote to find if a number is odd or even. What are odd and even numbers, you ask? Well, let's start with an even number. An even number can be divided by 2 without leaving any remainder, like 4 or 6. But an odd number, when divided by 2, leaves a remainder of 1, like the number 9. You can fit 2 into it 4 times, but there's 1 left. So it has a remainder of 1, which means it's odd. Well, this is the main logic used in this program. I can talk about the program. This program starts with line 1, which is the input line. So when you run that line, it'll ask you enter a number. The number that you give will then be sent to the variable num. The second line, right here, is where all the logic gets used. Like I said, if the remainder is 0, it'll be even. It's even. And if it's not, it'll be odd. So it's gonna test. If it is this, if it's not, it's gonna run this. We can move on to the third line now. We've explained that. Print curly brackets is even dot format num. You haven't seen these curly brackets and dot format num because I haven't used them in any of my other videos. I usually use the percentage sign for substituting, but this is another way to do it. So you put 2 curly brackets, and then in the thing you put dot format of num, or wherever. So it'll find where these curly braces are, and then put num instead of these. So it's like with the percentage. You put percentage space in parentheses whatever you want to replace. So it'll do whatever number you give, like 4, it'll say 4 is even. And if it's not, we go into the else loop right here. Then it does print 5 is odd, because if it's not, it'll go through here and do this. This was the explanation of my code. Now we can look at some examples. So I just ran the code and it asks you enter a number. Put any number like 5 and it senses 5 is odd. Do a number like 8, which is even. And then it says 8 is even. It does not work with decimals. So if I put 0.75, it does not work because we put an int on the input, so it's a number. And it works for negative numbers, which is kind of cool. -6, it works. Also works for negative odd numbers. -7, that works. So these are the examples. Thanks for watching the video. Another thing to note is that by the end of September 2019, I wish to have 50 subscribers, so if you liked the video, please help my wish come true by subscribing to the channel. Bye!